Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the structure of human sperm. And I have drawn diagram of sperm on the board, and it have four major parts. First one is head. This long elongated head of the sperm, from this head will enter into the ovum of female. Second part is neck. This is head is attached to the neck portion, middle portion, and middle piece is that in which mitochondria are present. These small structures are mitochondria. This is the middle piece. Like in our body, our head is attached to the neck, and after that middle piece, then that is our hind part. Same is that middle piece attached to the last part, that is tail. And head of the sperm, it is having anterior portion named as ectosome. The scientific name of this portion, which is present on the anterior, just like a cap-like structure, it is named as ectosome. And ectosome. And in ectosome, basically digestive enzymes are present here. These enzymes are very strong, which will help in the fertilization of ovum. During the time of when it will enter into the ovum from the female body, it will fertilize the ovum because these enzymes are basically very strong in nature. Whole of the body of sperm is covered by the outer membrane named as plasma membrane. This is the outermost covering of a sperm. Inside head, this is totally head part, and inside head just elongated cylinder. This part, whole of the part is named as nucleus. This basically its nucleus, it contains a genetic material that is named as DNA, which carry chromosomes, genetic material of the body which will be responsible for the transfer of factors from the parents to the next generation. And mitochondria present here. I have drawn here only 4. You can also draw more than these 4, 5 or 6. And these are basically small in stature. When we draw the diagram of mitochondria, you can draw like this. This is basically diagram of mitochondria. Because of the size of my diagram, I have drawn very small. So mitochondria, why mitochondria is present here? This is the source of energy, rich molecule, and the energy-rich molecule that is named as ATP. Why energy is required in structure of sperm? Because ATP will give a lot of energy for the sperm. Sperm has to enter inside the female body for the movement of tail. Tail is having only for the purpose of motility. It will swim along with the whole structure of sperm with the energy-rich molecule